Hi, I'm Brett. I'll be your personal trainer today. Let's get started with our crab reaches. So what we're looking for here is our hands to be facing the wall behind us, feet flat on the ground in front of us, and we're going to be raising our hips upward towards the sky. We want to keep the arm we're reaching with tight to the body and tight to the ear, looking down at the pinky on the ground behind us. Here we go. Just alternate. Make sure to go at your own pace here, no need to rush. For those of us with desk jobs, this really opens up those hip flexors. Should feel really good. Excellent work. You're officially a crab. We're gonna get into our beast crawl now. We're gonna be on 4 points of contact here. Hands are gonna be under the shoulders, and then our knees are gonna come about an inch off the ground, directly under the hips. We're gonna be moving forwards and backwards here. Here we go. Some nice small movements. Foot and hand should hit at the same time. Nice tight abdomen. Five more seconds. It's a lot harder than it looks. Good job. Now we're going to go into our bird dogs. So we're going to be on all fours here. Our hands are going to be under our shoulders. Our knees are going to be aligned under our hips. Our toes are going to be tucked under as so. And extend out and hold the tension going in either direction. Nice tight abs. Excellent. Same thing on the other side here. Five more seconds. And good, you are done with your bird dogs. We're now going to get into our side lunges. We want to make sure that the outside of the plant foot is always in contact with the ground here. We don't want that coming up. Good. I want to make sure that the foot we're landing with, the weight is back in the heel and our chest is up the entire time. Should already be feeling that in that inner thigh. Make sure to get those hips back a little bit as we're doing it. All right, not quite done yet. Got another side here. Let's go. Same concept on this side. Let's make sure that back foot stays firmly on the ground. Get that good pull on the inner thigh. Those are what's known as your adductors. Last one. Shake it out. Amazing job as usual. Keep up the great work. Now we're going to get into our transverse lunges. So what we want to remember here is nice, proud chest. We're going to go alternating back and forth here. Here we go. You're going to really feel this in the outside of your glutes that your plant foot is on. Also going to feel this in your hamstrings as well. Last one. Excellent. Now with buns of steel. For a complete workout, replay this video twice and then check out my next workout.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.